Okay, I'm just going to show you how you can find out the hex colors and the RGB colors for your logo. So you've got to open Photoshop and then you pull in the logo. I have two that I'm going to look at. The first is the West City Fellowship one, and I want to find out this color green, and then the Ukutula Trust color, which is a different color green. Okay, so the first thing I do is I'm going to just create another layer quickly. Okay, this might look messy at the moment. That's okay. I just want to get these colors. So I click over here and I click the current color, and then I'm going to find out what that color green is. And I can see here that the hex color is 8C8D34, and its RGB is 140, 141, and 52. RGB stands for red, green, blue. Okay, now I want to find out the color of this other green in the Ukutula Trust logo. I select the current color, and then I think I'll choose the darker, like that. It's quite luminous. Okay, and I see that the luminous green color is 20CF28 as the hex color, and the RGB is 32,20740. Now I know what colors to work with within my website.